guys, happy Friday. It is 9:30 in the morning on Friday the 13th. Spooky. Not really. I'm sitting here working on some YouTube stuff. I was not able to get a Vlogmas video up yesterday, so I'm working on taking care of the video for tonight bright and early so that that does not happen again. While I am sitting here working on YouTube, Robbie is over there bundled up. See that little bundle there? Robbie, wave, say hi. He's over there working on schoolwork, so we're both having a morning work session, taking care of stuff that needs to get done. I will check in with you guys in a little bit. I just wanted to say good morning. I hope you are doing well. I didn't show my face because I look a hot mess this morning. Alright, so it is just before noon. I'm working all morning, so I'm going to get in here and have some lunch. I'm starving. I've got some leftovers here from last night. We did chicken enchiladas last night, and I served rice and beans, and we have a lot of rice and beans left over, so I think I'm going to have that. There. I've got some tortilla chips left. And I know there's some salsa and stuff in here. Yep, here. So I'm going to make a little taco dip type situation for lunch before I get back to work. Where's my queso? Alright, I'm going to search my fridge and get everything put together so that I can eat. Alright, so I decided instead of tortilla chips, I was going to use tortillas as my delivery device. This is a couple of, I'm not going to eat both of these, I'm just going to eat one. Robbie's going to have the other. This is refried beans, Mexican rice, a little bit of shredded cheese, a little bit of queso. I'm going to wrap it up sort of burrito style, and that is going to be lunch. I have been having the laziest day ever. I probably have pillow marks on my face because I have not left my couch almost all day. It is 4:52. I have been sitting around watching YouTube videos, hanging out, being lazy. It's been lovely, but it's been pretty boring for you guys. I guess Austin wants to say hi. Hi. Because I haven't picked up the camera. But I was just kind of feeling like one of those days. It's Friday. We had nothing going on. We got a busy week coming up next week. So I just felt like being lazy. So that's what I've been doing. But like I said, it's almost 5 o'clock. I need to figure out what we're going to do for dinner. I've been watching on YouTube tons of videos on what I got my kids for Christmas, which is silly because, number one, it's all for kids that are way younger than my kids, so I definitely don't need the ideas. And number two, I'm already done with my kids' Christmas shopping anyway, so even if I got ideas, it wouldn't matter. But my kiddos have been having pretty lazy time as well. They've both been in their rooms, laying in bed, I think.
I'm doing work.
I know you're doing homework, but you're mostly laying in bed.
Yeah, it's comfy. I'm wearing my pajamas and a t-shirt.
Wanna say hi?
Sweatpants and a jacket.
Yeah. So, just been a pretty lazy.
Can I have some red top?
Yeah, a little bit. Haven't been a pretty lazy kind of day. Eric is currently on his way home from work, but he's stuck in traffic, so it's probably going to be a while before he gets home. We're going to have something for dinner. I'm not sure what yet. I have a couple different options. I'll probably just run through them with him and let him decide what he wants, but yeah, mostly I just wanted to check in, let you guys know I'm still alive, show you my bed head and my pillow face, and let you know that I'm going right back to some more laziness. Do you guys ever just have lazy days? Let me know. We're gonna complete the lazy day by having a super complicated meal here. We're gonna open a can. It's gonna be hard work, but I think we can manage it. And we're gonna serve this with some biscuits, and it's gonna be delicious. So I sent Eric on a mission to Walmart to get, oh crap, my battery's dying. Hold on. I'll be right back. Alright, like I was saying, I sent Eric on a mission to pick up a few things we needed from the store. Mostly for coffee, because I forgot to buy coffee when I went grocery shopping this week. And if you guys saw my grocery haul in my vlog from that day, I'd already spent our grocery budget, so this came from my miscellaneous envelope, this money. But in addition to that, I also had him pick up some stuff for us to enjoy while we watch a movie tonight. We're going to watch Home Alone. So let's see what he got. These are my all-time favorite. I was mentioning to him that I have been wanting these, and he hooked me up. These are chocolate-covered cherries, and these are the really, really good ones. So, psyched about those. Thank you, darling. Mm-hmm. We've got some movie theater butter oil so that he can make some popcorn. No? You're not gonna make popcorn?
Well, that's just popping.
Okay. Well, you gotta make popcorn.
Yeah, but I've got popcorn in there.
Oh, I see. Okay. Help. I need 2 hands. Can you pull this can of coffee out of here for me? Most important thing was the coffee. Like I said, he went for candy, so he got some Milk Duds, some Reese's Pieces, some Butterfinger Bites, some Sour Skittles. We always overdo it with the candy. I'm so excited about it.
No, everybody's got 2 boxes.
Some Wild Berry Skittles, some Nerds. What else do we got? Ah, so he's not making his popcorn. He bought microwave popcorn. That is just lazy. But it's the extreme butter. Good stuff.
It's the extreme butter.
Is that it?
Yep.
Yep, that's it. So we're going to go and have ourselves a little movie night. I'm going to pour myself a glass of wine. Whew. Really excited about these. Thank you, thank you, thank you.